Hello everyone, welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope that you're staying safe and I hope that you and your family are healthy. Today we're going to have a fun and quick unboxing. It is from the House of Sillage and I'm excited to show you what's in here. I also am going to go ahead and do a small giveaway as part of this video, so make sure to stay until the very end so that you can find out what I'm going to give away and how you can enter. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you do, I really hope that you're going to click on the subscribe button down below, click the notification bell so you can find out every time I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up. And if you've been hanging out with me for some time, thank you for coming back, and let's go ahead and get right into it. So before we open up what's in this really beautiful box from the House of Sillage, let me just quickly tell you a little bit about this. This is a mystery beauty vault, and I found out about it through another YouTuber's channel. Her name is Abby Bliss White, and I will go ahead and link her channel down below. I really enjoy watching her. She specializes in really makeup, and I love listening to all of her opinions and watching her apply her makeup. Anyhow, she received a box from the House of Sillage through PR, and I decided to go ahead and order one of the mystery vaults. All right, let's go ahead and get right into it. I am sorry about the lighting. It is raining outside. I am trying my best, but the light just comes in and out. And this arrived beautifully packaged. This is the box. It says House of Sillage right there. It is a magnetic box. I have already opened this, so it's not going to be as beautifully wrapped as it was. It has some really beautiful tissue paper, and you open it up, and inside it kind of looked like this. Comes with some information, and then inside you have your products from your mystery vault. Now the mystery vault that I picked is the Island Escape Mystery Fragrance and Beauty Vault. Like I said, I've already opened everything, so it's not going to be as beautifully wrapped, but let's go ahead and show you what is in here. The first thing I'm going to show you is right in this beautiful little magnetic box. You open it up, and inside you have, of course, the beautiful bow lipstick case. Now, it's a mystery box, so you don't really know what you're going to get. You don't know what color of the lipstick case you're going to receive or anything like that. So it's all a mystery. And I received this very beautiful one. This is a purple lavender color. It's very pretty. I have been wanting to get one of these for some time, but I really don't need it, and I just had never really ordered it, but I did receive this one, and along with the lipstick case, which of course comes in the beautiful little box, it has a little dust bag. I also received 3 lipsticks. And that was exciting because I have been wanting to try these. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch them all for you and let you know which ones I received. Okay, so to open this up, all you really have to do is click up, and there is the lipstick. This is one of the shades that I received, and this shade is called Night. And I will go ahead and swatch it for you. And that is the color for Night. It's very pretty. The lipstick formula is very creamy, so I do like it. To close this, all you gotta do is click it back into place. And I did receive, like I said, 2 others. This color is Duchess, and this is the bullet that they come in. So you just open it up. It's got a little plastic tip at the top, and you just go ahead and click this in, but let me just show you. So this is Duchess. This right here is Duchess. This is Night. And I will share with you the third one that I received, which is Countess. It's all about the royalty here. And this is Countess right over here. All very, very wearable and very pretty colors. So I am excited. Wow. I love all of the 3 shades and I'm excited. I like the formula, so I'm really, really happy. So that was one thing that I received. The other thing that I received was in this box right here. Beautiful. Also a magnetic box. And inside is this gorgeous Perfume Travel Set. Now, it has the absolutely gorgeous case for the perfume, and it is the most beautiful aquamarine color. It has a beautiful aquamarine stone colored right here at the top. Look at the beautiful, beautiful detail on this. Very heavy, very beautiful. You just pop it off, and here is your perfume that you can put on. And it comes with 3 additional refills. Now, there is a refill here already, so there's 4 refills. It's amazing. And the scent that they sent me, it's called Hot Bijou. Hot's Bijou, which I am totally, totally butchering. Let me see if I can show you right here. That is the name, Hot's Bijou, and I will go ahead and put it on the screen since I can't really say it the right way. So this is an absolutely spectacular, spectacular set. If you're interested, you can go ahead and go on to the House of Sillage website. I'm going to go ahead and link it down below. This is not sponsored or anything else, but you can go on there. They're currently having a 25% off sale. Now, I don't think that the 25% applies to the mystery vaults. They do have about 6 mystery vaults right now. When I purchased mine, they were kind of sold out. There was only, I believe, 3 available, and I picked the Island Escape, and I really, really think it's beautiful. I am very, very excited to have received the lipstick case. I really have been eyeing them for quite a while, and I'm really, really excited with the shades that they threw in there, all very, very wearable. So I encourage you, if you think you might be interested, to go ahead and check out their mystery boxes because they are a good value, and the product you receive is absolutely just beautiful. Now, about the giveaway. When I opened up the travel set and I saw the gorgeous, gorgeous spray container, I was mesmerized. I mean, I just think it's spectacular. It is very, very weighty, very luxurious, and just beautiful to the eye, just gorgeous. And I was very, very excited, to be honest, because I love travel sets. I currently use the, sorry about the barking, it just I can never have them be quiet. Anyway, going back to the story, when I saw this gorgeous travel set container, I was like in love. I love travel sets. If you have followed me for a while, you probably know that. And actually my favorite scent is the Rose Devant by Louis Vuitton, and I always purchase the travel set. And this is what their travel set looks like, which is really nothing to compare when you look at the House of Sillage one. The other one that I use is the Chanel one, and this is what the travel set looks like. So when you look at them, you can really, really see the difference and really the beauty of the House of Sillage. Let's see, I'm not really doing a good job showing you here. These are just kind of plain, and this one is just opulence in a very, very classy way. All right, going back to what I was trying to say. So I opened it up and I loved it. I love the color. I love the little crystals on it. I love the beautiful crystal that it has up at the top. And it's just really, really beautiful. But I started thinking, you know, I said, Isabel, you really don't need it. And somebody else, you know, you could make someone else's day by doing a giveaway, you know. Just with everything that's going on, I just thought that this might be nice for somebody to get this absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous travel set with all of the refills. So I've decided to go ahead and give this set away. And so this is what I'll be giving away. I will go ahead, of course, and pack it up really beautifully and send it to the winners. So if you're interested in winning this beautiful travel set from the House of Sillage, go ahead and follow the instructions in the description box. They're very, very simple. You need to follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I will go ahead and use one of those random things to choose the winner. And I will go ahead and leave this open for, let's say, till the end of April. So through April 30th, I'll go ahead and leave it open so that somebody can win this absolutely gorgeous travel set. And so that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Leave me your questions and comments down below. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.